Kunjalo Kunene, kunjalo. In your hands, sino Instacash, si-Rubicon Sports Show once again we are back. Sithanda nje ukuxolisa kumla ngendlela eniphelile ukuthi sagcina sesingakaveli emoyeni kodwa-ke sawukhipha loyo mlayedo ukuthi cha, imisebenzi imyeni, imisebenzi welive bekumele sagcine singakakhoni Mr. Ngonyane. Namhla siyabonga ukuthi you are here. Si-invite wena umsebenzi cishe eveni kusasa kuma-sports. Umsebenzi wabantwana lubuke i-development etikolweni cause onke kuqala lephasi kufike ekugcinela. Ngiyade ukuthi sekunyenge lokufuna kusho nje already makasho kanjalo ukuthi konke okuqala development
Of course.
kuthelele embili already kunemotinto letendekako lesitibonako kiwo wona lamalanga kuma-headlines emaphepha onke kangwane.
Yes, sir.
Tawusithinza Mr. Ngonyane Romeri ngapha ne-Instacash usponsorisha dona tikolo Kunene. Ukhona nemlingani lona eceleni lesabambisana naye kuhlelo ukuze kokuphela sakhuluma naye nangayenze emhlaka lesilandzela songelana njengoba nisibona sobathathu sawukhuluma ngayo noma nje ibuhlungu kithi ama-Africans but we are all learning and we are all enjoying the World Cup as well. Vuselani Mathayikos.
Asivusele Chris, sivusele nabo Masilela, sivusele nebabukele emakhaya. Sibonga nelithuba lokuthi siphindze sihlanganyele ngalena ndlela. Sitokhunisa dona tindzaba tebantfwana ukuthi benta njani ma-finals, sisuke nabo phasi ku top 16 sesambe saze safika la stati quarter sakubeka ndlela.
Yes.
Sibingelele babukeli bemsakazo Rubicon Media Sports Show kuyinto kodwa ukuhlanganyela nani ukuthi ngathathonda indzaba tetemidlalo.
Kusaqhubeka ngenhlelo sivele singene kuwe Ngonyane singakaqithi nje cishe leli viki leli lakho lonke. Lilanga lakho elikhulu kusasa, lilanga lebantwana bonke betikolwa, ungabali nje walabo laba finalists. Ti4 ketikolwa bekuneti khona kusasa. For the first time we've got netball under the Instacash banner. Through ama partners labe nawo Instacash kwendekile ukuthi netball igcine seyiba nesponsor and sayibona itabe yinhle kusasa naye. Tuka lokho ikhona ibhola lebukwe kakhulu ke ibhola. Utasitshela Ngonyane ukuthi inhlangano ilungisani inhonjeni ilungisani bafika njani futhi la kuma final kusuka kumbe kubo ma branch finals.
Yes. Asibonge Chris, ngiyathandza lokuthi sovele wakhulumisa leto tindzaba. I think for the first time lonyaka sine netball, sibonge kakhulu kuma partners, which is one of the vehicles lasesitile ukuthi sifike la. Northwest University, Joma Sportswear, babe nelichaza lelikhulu kakhulu ukuthi sigcine sine netball ledlaliswa alongside isoccer. Kusasa nje njengoba sowubekile ekseni setivele tikhona tikolo leti tawudlala under netball. Ekseni njena 10 ikhona iMabhensane High School ineNyakatho High, bese kuthi ke iMagubheleni idlala neFlorence Christian Academy nga 12. Lokhu ngilomkhulu umdlalo lesiwubukile la khona sitawuthi asebene champion nangakhona.
Singavetana lokuthi bamele DPT Gods ngoba nabo bayafuna ukuvela nalabo beGods batabe bakhona cishe bato supporta nje kusasa wahoho tabakhona shisele tabakhona yobuka isikolo sakiwe ukuthi sivete isikolo likhona ukuthi ngabe timelele iphi imithombo la vena.
It's a balance because if Florence Christian, if I'm not mistaken, Ishiselo, Makupelenu se uga.
Is it under ho?
Yes, it should be Hoho. Then kube Nyakatho High School, neMabhensane High. Siyajabula lokuthi sithinza tikotsi letehlukene because utawukhanza ukuthi labanye baba ne-assumption yokuthi si concentrate on a particular region, which is not the case. Udlala sikwenda countrywide, bahambe bafike ku top 16, la khona kuba representation from all the regions. Nakhona ke ka netball kuhambe kwafika lapho siphinze sibonga nalokuthi more than just lama kit lesivele siba nikete wona. Joma Sportswear uphinze wathi for the finals akube khona ke lokuhle lokusha la kwendako la sikolo sitawuba ne emblem yabo alongside the Joma representation ne Northwest University. Pambilini bokhanza ukuthi kule midlalo bokhanza ukuthi bakhala ukuthi ema beeps kude. This time around kube ne improvement le khona siyabonga kakhulu kibo baka Joma Sportswear kumema ke naso sive nayo i-Netball Association ngoba bowusakhulumisa nje indzaba lenkulu kakhulu indzaba yokuthi headlines elive asakhulumisa tindzaba letimnanzi la sibona khona i-team one of the Premier League teams lamakhulu even
Singizini Hotspurs.
Singizini Hotspurs seyingete badlali labasha one of the players loku Innocent Bakule esitamkhumbula if I'm not mistaken it should be the first final beka ku Manzini Central uncaptain namhla so yawu representa live because they'll be going to CAF tournament. This is a product of the school sports tournament. Lokhombisa bona ke ukuthi le impact ele midlalo it's not just to have fun but ifike ithinze ne livelihood yaleyo mvana nakube
Ngicabanga ukuthi ukuthinza yona nje la ukhuluma ngabo Phakule.
yes
Vunganze bekakhuluma wona nje itolo ukuthi ati labafana beManzini Central noma labafana labadlale kulama games etikolo. Kuyabonakala ukuthi bayakhula uzwa abantu abanjengabo quality imbona orofika wakhuluma ngayo ekseni sathi ahlelweni. Ndansi kumbe Vunganze wakaqhubeka kongoyana uyafuna kuyithinda labafana labo kuPhakule.
Nkosi
Njengabafana lo batiwo le labakhulelela Sandland sethu.
uteka yona Nkosi ngicabanga ukuthi Instacash neSwatini School Sports lapha khona bayajabula nabe babona imisebenzi yabo ihamba ifika la abafana laba badlala at school level and lokhu kuvala le gap lebesikhala ngayo as a country ukuthi yathi seside development but if utawuthi ku CAF Champions League kuna two ma products labe yabo schools competition kukunika ithemba lelo ukuthi yathi maybe as Eswatini maybe in the next 10 years or so sitawukhona ukuthi siqualify le World Cup maybe sikhona ukuthi sibe ma regular participant eAFCON because sinawo badlala lesitigurumele bona at grassroots level banyoka to school level high school level baze bafika international football.
Of course utawubuka just a simple closer to home example South Africa was part of World Cup one of the brilliant center backs Mbegezeli Mbokazi is 20 years old which speaks to how school level soccer contributes at a national level and
Certainly the best player for Bafana in this World Cup Banarele Mfuke lesibona ukuthi he made an impression he's already getting at the Belgium
of course
which is quite good and he's quite an inspiration for Bafana Labangane bathi inkosi 2000.
Yes. The younger they are, the more chances they stand to represent the country kuma international stages, which is what we are applauding natsi ke kule midlalo lesidlalisako. Sibuke kona ke kuthi nakusasa ema scouts atabakhona lokusita kuthi kube ke rotation noma kunyuke at a level traceable ukuthi simbonile adlala at school level nyalo songena ku Premier Team noma ku Premier League level which is something very interesting lesicela ukuthi kube into lothubekako kusasa nje la kutawukhethwa khona bo player of the tournament kukhethwe khona bo top goal scorer kwende kwaba independent because ngagcine sekungathi ku biased if kuqhamuka from our side we've requested a panel ledlalisa yona imidlalo at Premier League level ukuthi isibukele leto tindzaba sisakhulumisa tona leto tindzaba sibe ne tournament lenhle kakhulu Dlamini la sibonile bantfu bati misela if I'm not mistaken, kune Big Bend High. Sabona something interesting. Just before iphele game, Lobega Gobe just 10, which was a brilliant player, turned to be a goalkeeper and he saved 2 penalties.
Yes,
which is something very, very interesting. And ngiletinye tetinfo letifike ti unveil new talent. Nema scouts ke afike abuke tona tinfo leti kanjalo. I think for the longest time kube ne ideology ukuthi bathi dlalela nje ibhola but nyalo sekuyabonakala kune traceable way la kubonakala khona ukuthi labantwana badlala bafike at a level la kuba professional khona imidlalo ibe yinhle kakhulu We're coming a long way with these games. La siqale khona way back as 2023, where we had
Sasho lokho maybe unganginika lama past champions, because for once we will be getting new champions tomorrow.
of course
In fact, it's been new champions like in each edition, because
Exactly.
was defended.
no
It's just that this time we are not seeing Manzini Central, we are not seeing Evelyn Berrin.
Yes, which were regulars kuma finals.
Yes.
2023 we had Spetsapi High School, which was a shocker and a surprise kutsi skola labo khanza ukuthi mhlawumbe asisiko kangako elulwini lwebantfu savela sawina. 2024 we had Manzini Central becoming the champs, which were everyone's favorite, and lonyaka ngoba ibhola injalo nje bosakhulumisa yona ngosi ukuthi as Africans sibe disappointed just when you think you've clinched it, kuvele nje nasikhala sa 80 minutes 89 bashaya emagoli mangale ukuthi awusekwendekeni manje. 2024 we had Manzini Central, unfortunately they crashed out this year. Early besibagatsile sibukile ukuthi manje bafike phela nabo kuma final, then ke eminyakeni
Bakhishwa ngeyo la ndaba the place playoff Centron Boys, correct?
yes 2025 we had Evelyn Berrin nabo lebe kuma favorites, lokwenze ukuthi
Oyisho indaba yeBerrin sibanze emuva kuhanje siyayebele ukuthi inhlangano Central lesiyibona namhla seyikuma champions yabashaya vele na last year. Ngoba ke Instacash Instacash na ESA babona ukuthi ngoba sina 15 wema branches kanti sifuna ukuthi kube ne last 16 ngeke sinomunye sestameni kanjani kwase bane wild card beyawela kibo basenhlangano nabayi Evelyn Berrin dawa bese kobhana basapiyeli kuleso sikhundla leso sikhothi sabo kunjalo bese
kunjalo
serious sports
beba represent iHoho region. Loku ngilamanye ama dynamics lafike ende le tournament be interesting, and MD uchazile kaningi ukuthi indzaba ye wild card has little to do with soccer but more to do with the 13th player, which are the fans.
Yes.
Kuba more lively in the stadium when you have the school coming to support, which is what we are gunning for. Kude lofuna kudlala in an empty stadium. Siyababonga ke nebaphathi betikhola nabakhonile ukuthi bakhulule abantwana bayodlala. I think bekune trend phambilini lobo kwenza ukuthi kuthiwa hayi akuhambe school team labanye babuyele classini, which was a bit unfair because ubese usupportwa ngibane groundini. Labadlala ke ibhola bahlakutshela ukuthi kuba mnanzi kakhulu. There's a bit of encouragement that you get when you hear your schoolmates singing, bakuniketa i-encouragement. Sikubonile ke kuma previous tournaments, and ke this time around labafike kuma final they did just that, basupport abantwana and nalabadlala ko bafike batimisela. Siya hosta ke kusasa Chris. Indzaba
ngena property ngoba umuntu uyalungisa nje namhla Vunganze balungisela kona kuya kulama final lala ngihlala abantwana Vunganze uthi ngabe ungangicabanga ukuthi nawe uyafuna ukuthi wakhumbana makaya lapha wade ukuthi uphephile and ubhadara malini
ma drugs kude,
of course
safety nema security measures.
athi sithatha njalo lokho nje 30 seconds usithi ndungiseni.
Asibonge kakhulu Nkosi, sibonge Masilela. Tindzaba te safety ngilesidihambise embili kakhulu. Just this week besi ngongotha kuma relevant doors kibo emaphoyisa kutsi abasibambise. Lilanga lakusasa likhulu, sidayitsala kahle indzaba with trophy parade. Sicelile ke nalabo lokhanzo ukuthi bayananzisa kutsi ababe kanye nathi. Emaphoyisa ke abe bantu labahamba kanye nathi bathembisile ukuthi kusukela ekseni sisende trophy parade, they'll be guiding us kuma routes be traffic. Bese masifika stadium everyone will be safe. Masilela utsinzi indzaba lenkulu kakhulu, imidlalo yebantfwana le lokwenza ukuthi mhlawumbe sekuyatsakisa ngeke vele sikumukele kahle. Okwenza ukuthi kuma games or kakhulu ebholeni ngilo kuniketa i-encouragement kucela ke sive ukuthi ngosami simane sibambe sihloniphe lo msebenzi ngoba bantu besikolo laba nabo lesithi abakhe likusasa. I-safety ke senda siqiniseke ukuthi isezingeni lelisetulu kakhulu. We wouldn't want to have a situation la ukhanza ukuthi maybe sekunema incidents lokutawu bese sekutainta ke naleli gama lale midlalo. Njengoba uvetile ke Dlamini ukuthi kunema sponsors la khona. We have Joma Sportswear South Africa, sine Northwest University, sina Webstars, ukhona Mr Wardrobe, ukhona Andile Footwear. These are entities la khetha ukuthi kule misebenzi labayendako abahlanganyele kanye nathi. Sekungaba kubi ke nowasokhanza ukuthi sesilethe bonke laba lesesibalethile bese ke sekonakala ukuthi mhlawumbe khona lo bese sodla kakhulu. Kucela ukuthi abasibambise batali bethu batosekela abantwana nalaba funze kito tikolwa esibeta abete batobukela imidlalo kahle. Niphindze nakhulumisa indzaba ukuthi ingabe vele kungene kanjani. Lo tabafake uniform utawubhatala 5 emalangeni. Lokhulile ke nalo sacedzile isikole utawubhatala 20 emalangeni. Lokho sikondela ukuthi akube flexible for wonke umuntu. Kungabe sekubonakala ngathi sebelukhuni akube ne-access kiyo imidlalo Nkosi.
Kunjalo-ke bekumele senidivele kuphekwe ngayo igalaza eMavuso Sports Center kusasa inkundla le kumbe lesikade siyigcinile kuyibona i-hosta yona imidlalo yebhola solo kuphela isizini kumbe sigcina ngayo aba-playoffs aka-Premier League lapho sibone khona emacembu alwela uyokungona indzawo leka-Premier League ye-promotion lapho kuhambe khona kumbe imadlenya lebuyako lebeyikhona vele kwa-Premier League phambilini sabona nemawele abuya through ema-playoffs leli wona asuka khona neka-Premier League vele kule season lesisuka kuyo. So sitawubuka nje siqhubeke salo singena kito ukuthi kusaphekiwe lapho sokhazile nangetiponsa letikhona letiponsa leti-ke bekunene tinema-roles akhe labanye nje batabe bahlomelisa kusasa ema-awards, individual awards njengama-wardrobe utamniketa best player amnikete coach wama-champions loko lamnika kona udila ngemasudu-ke my-wardrobe kuna Andile Footwear okhethe i-golden boot kusukela last year wayiniketa and bulalo wemfana namhlanje ngicabanga usawagqoka lawo ma-corporate. It wasn't just ikhokho lelibuthe kuphi, it was quality and he makes sure ukuthi he goes with he aligns with the quality letana Joma na Easter Cash na abasehlangene ku-improve yona imidlalo yebantwana. Kunetikolo lana Vunganze kumbe nawe ngoyane letilingisa nabo lesibabona World Cup ikakhulu emavase e-Africa labanye badlale kahle njengeMvonjeni nayo inhlangano Central cishe badlale kahle balingisa iMorocco but kunemavela alingisa kunetikolo limele sibonile nato tishona phasi kanti besigadze kakhulu kumbe labanye sebadlala bo third place playoff njengabo Bosco bokwacabanga sinawudla iCentral
sokaba ikuphethe final
utawufika final but ibhola njengoba sibona World Cup itolo nje sivuka netindzaba letikhlungu namuhla si-Africa sicale nje lapha ku-DR Congo bonile nakhona kahambi kahle badlala neMangizi Vunganze sabuya ku-Ivory Coast nakhona badlala neNorway akahambi kahle. Romelu Lukaku Belgium neSenegal igame yanyalo ekseni kumbe sivuka sibhlungu vele but lokhu ngifuna ukusho ngalama games angathi noma niyakunotice ukuthi nawubuka nje these 3 games only in the Ivory Coast versus Norway iphela nga 2-1 ulchani in Haaland goal ulchak 86 minutes we lose the game. Harry Kane of England scores a brace against DR Congo late 75th and 86th minute. Mark that 86th minute again. Spurs game Ivory Coast is 86 minutes by win.
yes
Then you go to Belgium. Segela 2-0 lead. Just last 5 minutes we figure their goal 86 minutes Romelu Lukaku. And we go to extra time. We lose the game in a penalty. What do you make of that? Is it something let's what are we missing as Africans? We finish sharp or mentally bese switch off. What happens?
I think ngakuhlabelumi Vunganze kuba indzaba ye-focus ngiphosa ngithi it's not over until the fat lady sings but it's sebholeni lana it's not over until the referee blows the whistle. Icethe igame ngoba vele seyikhalile imfengwane ungathi concludele because over a level of fatigue. I think at the level ye World Cup you should have trained mentally, physically, and otherwise could see ngiyayicedza game. Ama-substitutions are there for such cases kuthi mase kubonakala kwangathi umdlali maybe sowutsiniwe, let's get a fresh player to come through. But more than anything, Ngozi, this comes as a lesson for us as African teams to realign ourselves, to focus, sitimisele kahle, because not only at World Cup level, sibonile nakule tournament le, la ukhanza khona ukuthi badlali sebatsiniwe. Unkumbuta imidlalo ya last year, I think ibe kune Evelyn Bering idlala nemhlatane high school siledulu kaho. Kwamangalisa ngoba labakwenda bavimbetela nje lamagoli abamaningana la first half, second half base baya defend. Ngila kufike khona kugame tinto letifana nabo formation ukuthi as coach beyithini formation yakho, nabo ke badlali, mental preparedness is everything. Earlier ukhulumise nje indzaba ya Relebohile Mofokeng, who's now going to Belgium. It's a different atmosphere altogether. He needs to adapt to a new environment. He's coming from a space la mhlambe style of football in Africa is a bit different. Angifuni kwanza kakhulu, sengikhumbula one of these prominent players la bekadlala in the dusty streets of South Africa. He's had dreadlocks. Lo bekadlala kakhulu ikasi football no show off.
Abafika ku-Highland.
Yes.
Lo wafika ku-Highland Albert Faxen.
Amataliyane.
Yes. Yes, bengisakhulumisa indzaba ukuthi the style of football becomes different when you're now at World Cup level. Kuyathingana lokuthi ishintshe nale mindset, because nemithetho yeball ifike yashintsha kakhulu. VAR is introducing something totally different. Maybe ungayilobona for nganzi.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga ukuthi
Isikokotela
le World Cup isizotha okuningi sima African countries babukeli wanje i-mindset, mental strength, i-character. I think lokho kungitrick ubonakele kumave ethu onke na ungabuka Dlamini nawo Ngonyani igame Bafana uyayiheda uhedele opponent igame seyiphela.
Yeah.
Ivory Coast,
No, that
Senegal sathi kuthi siyabala ukuthi nayo endleleni yami iphumelela siyawina nga 2-0. Sekusele 2 minutes or so. DR Congo siyalida first half. Sekude game management tactics. Kaba ukuthi shoda nge-mindset, ne-character, ne-mental strength. Singakufaka lokhothi wesikole yake kwasindluleni nyane. Wakapho. Bangaphela ngabe thiwa diye kuyasebenza bangangivaka babukele bekuthiwa kuyasebenza ngayo Bafana na 2010 ngoba bengiyo beyihost nabo yonke access. Ngayayiwina neGhana
nathi nje kufanele singasabuki nakhashana ngabe sile ngayi Cape Verde akayi ngalana ke mbeka kunathi le. So simaswadi funa sibuke leti ngwaleti ibhola iyafuna. Ngijabulile nje kuva kulamalanga e-EFA ukuthi ukhwale kwendawo kunebase Morocco. La kungilona nje iveke thina sima Africans kumele siligadze kakhulu. Siyabithi kusanga salona kodwa basekhona bo Egypt labasatawudlala, isekhona iCape Verde ledlala naye Lionel Messi Argentina. Ideni nayo legadwe kakhulu, siyathi kwalo sapredict ukuthi itawina iCape Verde. We'll see. It's football bekunene. Let's go and watch the World Cup. Let's go and watch the Instacash schools games tomorrow. There's soccer for you, there's netball for you. It's all fun for everyone. It's a family day. Let's all go there and be safe and to enjoy the game. Thank you so much.
Sibonga kakhulu Dlamini, sibonga kakhulu Masilela. Looking forward to the games kusasa. Singasho ukuthi all is set and silungele kumukela sive ngebuningi baso.
Ayisibonge babukeli, singaba kunikhutsata nje ukuthi hambani niye khona enkundleni esiva somhlulo nobuka lithalente lelakhwani inkampani yenu yemasoti le ku-Instacash abambisene ne-Eswatini School Sports Association.
So singasho ukuthi Rubicon Sports Show ends here for today and see you tomorrow at Mavusa Sports Center. Thank you.